I ordered this in a size 6. She's a 5T. Today we are going to open. What is it?
Cloud.
From where?
I don't know.
From Tullulah Belles. I'll leave a link in the description. Okay.
And how to open it?
Okay.
Let's see what I have.
Careful, careful.
What is this?
What is? Oh, this is
A
a
coat.
it's a little fur vest.
What about this? What's this?
What size is this?
I don't know. What about this?
It's interesting.
Like this.
It looks cute, but it's just the branding is totally different than on the website.
What?
You got a tutu.
No, this is something else. Look. It's a ballerina thing.
Yeah, it's a tutu. It's a ballerina tutu. I thought this was really, really cute.
What? The picture.
Okay, this is kind of weird. The size is...
The pictures again. Here it is.
The sizes are like not in American.
Here it is. I
Sizes.
wanted this.
Yes, that shirt.
No, the dress. And today I really
This is
wanted
precious.
it. And I really
Little set,
love it.
pink set.
Precious.
Yes, Bella. The little set.
And we have this. It was like, look how I have to turn around it.
It says, thank you for your purchase. Your purchase brightened my day, and I hope this parcel brightens yours. TullulahBelles.London.
London, I'm really sorry.
This is from London. It has a cute little postcard.
Do you want to go there?
It's far away, baby.
What?
And this is a little one-shoulder dress. I'll show pictures of what it looked like on the website. I think this is a size 6.
I think this is my song right there. Now I'll try this on.
Yeah, not right now. Hold on. We'll do that next, okay?
Like,
She wants to try everything on and show it to y'all. So, do that just a second.
and today, no,
Sorry, let's
that
do
means let's get this started. What? Why it don't have a zip?
That's a great question. I don't know why it doesn't have a zip.
Because why?
Here, walk there and then walk back. Oops.
That was silly.
Okay. Here, walk here. Like on the runway. Alright. Turn around. Yay! Alright, come back. You like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do it again.
Okay. Alright, go walk and then walk back. Do you like that shirt?
Yeah.
Is it comfortable?
Yeah.
Is it hot?
No!
You like it?
Yes. And I sing do it that.
Alright, spin. Yay!
How many times?
That's enough. Alright, you ready to put the tutu on?
4 times or 5 times?
Alright, you ready to put the tutu on?
No.
No. Why not? Why not?
I can't.
Okay. I ordered this in a size 6. She's a 5T. So it was going to be a little bit bigger. I didn't know it was just going to be the bottom part bigger, but It's okay. She's okay. You like it?
Yeah.
Is it too big?
No, okay.
I might get it adjusted on that.
Stop.
All right.